Swimming is a fantastic activity for kids during summer vacation. It keeps them physically active, helps improve stamina, coordination, and flexibility, and strengthens their muscles. Swimming also boosts confidence and teaches essential water safety skills. It's a great way to make new friends, reduce screen time, and enjoy the outdoors. Plus, it helps relieve stress and keeps kids cool in the summer heat. Overall, swimming combines fun, fitness, and learning, making it an ideal summer pastime for children. Gardening is a wonderful summer activity for kids, offering both fun and learning. It teaches responsibility, patience, and care as they nurture plants from seeds to blooms. Gardening boosts creativity, improves focus, and encourages healthy eating when growing fruits or vegetables. It also connects children with nature, reduces screen time, and relieves stress. Digging, planting, and watering promote physical activity and motor skills. Overall, gardening helps kids develop a sense of achievement and a love for the environment during summer vacation. Building fairy houses is a magical and creative summer activity for kids. It sparks imagination, storytelling, and artistic expression as they design tiny homes using natural materials. This hands-on project improves fine motor skills, encourages outdoor play, and fosters a connection with nature. Kids learn patience, planning, and problem solving while having fun. Creating fairy houses also promotes mindfulness and reduces screen time. It's a whimsical way for children to explore their creativity and enjoy peaceful, imaginative play during summer vacation. Visiting the zoo is an exciting and educational summer activity for kids. It introduces them to animals from around the world, sparking curiosity and a love for wildlife. Kids learn about animal behavior, habitats, and conservation in a fun, interactive way. It encourages observation skills, boosts knowledge, and inspires empathy for animals. Walking around the zoo also promotes physical activity. Overall, a zoo visit combines adventure, learning, and outdoor fun, making it a memorable and enriching experience during summer vacation. Exercise is essential for kids during summer vacation, keeping them active, healthy, and energized. It improves strength, flexibility, and coordination while supporting heart health and building strong muscles and bones. Regular physical activity boosts mood, reduces stress, and enhances focus and sleep quality. It also helps maintain a healthy weight and build self-confidence. Whether through sports, dancing, or outdoor play, exercise encourages social interaction and teamwork. Summer is the perfect time for kids to enjoy fitness in fun, creative ways. Learning a new skill during summer vacation helps kids grow mentally and emotionally. It boosts confidence, sharpens focus, and encourages curiosity. Whether it's painting, coding, cooking, or playing an instrument, gaining a new skill enhances creativity and problem-solving abilities. It keeps their minds active and reduces screen time in a productive way. Trying something new also teaches patience, discipline, and perseverance. Overall, learning a new skill during summer makes the break enriching, fun, and a great opportunity for personal development. Cooking and baking during summer vacation offer kids a fun and educational experience. It teaches them basic life skills, math through measuring, and science through mixing ingredients. Kids develop creativity, responsibility, and confidence as they follow recipes and try new dishes. It also encourages healthy eating and appreciation for homemade food. Cooking together strengthens family bonds and reduces screen time. Overall, it's a rewarding way for children to learn, create, and enjoy delicious results while staying engaged during the summer break.